Unraveling the Roots, Guyana's Afro-Guyanese roots and their vibrant culture. Welcome back to another enlightening episode of Unraveling the Roots, where we unravel the fascinating ties between Africa and the Americas. Today, our journey leads us to Guyana, where we will delve into the rich Afro-Guyanese culture, evident in its music, dance, cuisine, religion, and language. We'll also highlight its revolutionary figures and explore potential pre-Columbian connections. First up, music and dance. Afro-Guyanese music is a captivating blend of African rhythms, and it's deeply rooted in the country's culture. Genres like shanto, calypso, and more recently soca and chutney soca demonstrate these influences. The vibrant Mashramani Festival is a testament to this, where Afro-Guyanese music and dance forms are showcased in their full glory. Next, we turn to cuisine. Afro-Guyanese cuisine is a delightful fusion of African, Amerindian, and European influences. One noteworthy dish is pepper pot, the country's national dish. Made with cassava roots, cassareep, and meat, it reflects the culinary heritage of the Afro-Guyanese people. Kuku, a dish made from cornmeal and okra, also holds African roots. Now let's delve into religion. Afro-Guyanese religious practices blend African traditions with Christianity, a synthesis seen in the spiritual Baptist faith. The presence of Obeah practices further indicates the lasting impact of West African religious beliefs in Guyana. Let's explore the language. While English is the official language, the Guyanese Creole, spoken among Afro-Guyanese communities, shows influences from West African languages. The persistence of African-inspired folk tales, such as those featuring the cunning spider Anansi, reflects the cultural heritage carried in language and storytelling. Now let's honor their revolutionary figures. Guyana's history features powerful Afro-Guyanese leaders who stood against oppression. Figures such as Cuffy, also known as Kofi, led a significant slave revolt in 1763, symbolizing resistance and resilience. Taking a closer look at architecture, Guyana's architectural landscape, especially in the regions where Maroon communities settled, shows elements reminiscent of West African design. Traditional houses, often built on stilts with verandas and jalousie windows, reflect this blend of aesthetics and practical adaptation to the local climate. Let's ponder over the pre-Columbian connections. Although most African links in Guyana date back to the transatlantic slave trade, theories propose earlier interactions. As postulated by Ivan van Sertima in They Came Before Columbus, there could be possible pre-Columbian connections based on shared cultural practices and archaeological findings. As we close this episode of Unraveling the Roots, we've traversed through Guyana's Afro-Guyanese heritage, witnessing the resilient threads that connect Guyana and Africa. These intricate ties, woven into the cultural tapestry of the country, will continue to unravel in our future journeys across the Americas. Thank you for accompanying us on this enriching exploration. Stay tuned for our next episode as we continue this fascinating journey into the African diaspora.